rich with your food. That's why we open our 80-acre farm to allow you to see where and how our veggies are grown. The Bender family moved to Pompano from in 1950 and has been farming in Palm Beach County for 54 years now. We've got the 5th generation working on the farm, but the future of the farm revolves around you. Your visit today helps sustain this family business and all the employees on our team. So from all the family and staff at Bender's Farm Fresh Market, we want to thank you for coming out today and supporting your local farm. Did you know over 130 years ago, in 1879, the very first If you look to your right, you'll see our seasonal U-Pick fields, where guests can come to pick strawberries, tomatoes, bell peppers, and sunflowers.
Oh, that's cool.
In South Florida, the season to grow is short due to our hot, rainy climate. Typically during the months of November through May, Mother Nature gives us all we need. Our soil is fertile, we use non-GMO, and when the weather is nice, the plants grow. At harvest time, many of our guests pick enough to can and freeze in order to have an ample supply during the off-season. Did you know that one medium-sized tomato provides over a third of the recommended daily allowance of vitamin C and nearly a third of the recommended daily allowance of vitamin A? What that means to you is eat more tomatoes!
I guess the alligators are supposed to be in these little creeks or something, these canals. I don't see them.
The amount of work it takes to harvest a single vegetable.
Oh, it's a dragonfly.
Here at Bender's, we use the best management practices to meet the environmental needs. You will notice our plastic culture farm.
I see a coconut.
It's covered with a biodegradable mulch material. This mulch material serves multiple purposes, such as and pest control. It also helps with the heating of the plants due to the reflection or absorption of heat based on color. You might notice our cross stitches are lined with plastic material for the purpose of minimizing erosion. The purpose of these cross stitches are to remove excess water from the land. The sugarcane lining the ditches is not harvested, but instead is used as a windbreaker. Every year we mow and burn them down, and they regenerate in time for the next growing season. Did you know that the irrigation system in southeast Florida is the only one of its kind in the world? We're able to control the water levels by pumping water in and out of our perimeter ditches. You are now seeing a field soon to be filled with squash, beans, and corn.
Squash, beans, and corn over here. That's where all your food comes from. All this. That's where all your food comes from. Supposed to be some alligators in there.
But they're hidden.
I think they're sleeping.
Yeah. Why does it say help?
I don't know. It's just pretend. It's Halloween.
Looking to your left, you will notice this farm is bordered by the Arthur R. Marshall Waxahachie National Wildlife Refuge. It is one of more than 560 national wildlife refuges across the United States. The entire refuge comprises about 221 square miles, surrounded by a 57-mile canal and levee that includes the most northern remnant of the historic Everglades wetland ecosystem. Our national wildlife refuges are very different from our national parks in that these refuges are managed specifically for the benefit of providing and preserving healthy habitat for wildlife. It provides a a habitat and protection for endangered wildlife such as this snail kite, the wood stork, and the formerly endangered American alligator. The visitor center is open every day, 9 to 4.
Oh, I think I seen something come up.
And we encourage you to
It
visit.
went back down.
An alligator.
Do they eat them over here? Alligators, they eat them over here, right? Gator? But how do we? How do you taste like chicken?
I've had it twice
Really?
before. One was disgusting and one was
Really? Oh, okay.
the tail.
Oh, okay. It's me. Oh, well.
Now, with our new activity, a zombie paintball field, our military-style truck that has mounted guns and bench seating for your zombie shooting pleasure. Turn around our 80 acres as you see how many zombies you can hit. Paintball experience to shoot and not get shot that accommodates all ages and experience. Inquire inside the market for details.
Well, I don't think I'd want to go in that area in there.
Broccoli, cauliflower.
The topography is
On
definitely
your
different.
right, you'll see where we will be planting
Is-
our lettuce,
Oh, look at that. There's a vulture or some sort.
cabbage, cauliflower, colored peppers, and agriculture depends greatly on
Look at this bird.
pollination. Like tiny honeybees, honeybees carry the pollen
It's like an ingrid.
as they if it becomes
Ah, cool.
close eyesight or turbocharges your immune system, it was probably fertilized by a bee. A surprising amount of our well-being rests on those tiny striped backs, as honeybees account for 80% of all insect pollination. Without such pollination, we would see a significant decrease in the yield of fruits and vegetables. Here at Vendors, we have multiple honey condos, with each containing over 80,000 bees. Did you know that corn is the only vegetable that is self-pollinated? When the bee
know
blows
that.
pollen in the tassel, it gets shaken down. Each piece of silk, which is connected to a single
Another ingrid.
Our produce, like our heritage, is about integrity and goodness. Like we always say, from the farm to the fork. Stop inside the market to shop fresh, local, natural groceries, eclectic selections of wines, unique selections of Amish wheat products, boiled peanuts, barreled pickles, fresh flowers, and much
Picking
more.
over there.
We also offer tours, and the Tiki Hut is available for rent for parties. Inside the market, be sure to sign up for our weekly emails featuring specials and activities. Once again, we want to thank you for visiting today and supporting your local family farmer. us on Facebook for all the latest happenings and events, or visit our website at www.benders.com.
They're so smart. Alrighty.